Hello children, welcome back to the digital class. I hope you are all doing well and you might all be excited to learn some new and interesting concepts in our today's mathematics digital class. So children, you might be all ready with your books and pen, right? So let us start our session. So today in our topic, that is bigger numbers part 2, we are going to learn about various concepts. That is, we are going to learn addition of numbers without or with carryover and identify correct method of addition. Then estimation of numbers without addition. And finally, we will also learn how to identify rules in addition. So let us start with our first thing, that is addition of numbers, children. So children, you can see a store on your screen. So meet Mr. Lakshman. He has come to buy some items in the store. That is, he wanted to purchase a shirt, a trouser and also a pair of shoes. Now, he purchased all these things, but instead of a shirt, he purchased 3 shirts, and the cost of 3 shirts is 2,997 rupees, whereas the cost of 2 trousers is 3,210 rupees, and the cost of shoes is 1,998 rupees. Now children, can you tell me what is the total amount Lakshman has to pay to the shopkeeper? So children, to know or to find the total amount that Lakshman has to pay, we should have the knowledge of addition of bigger numbers. So children, now we will see how to add these bigger numbers. So let us start. So children, we have seen already the cost of 3 shirts, cost of 2 trousers and the cost of shoes. Now, the total cost is given by adding all these 3 numbers, that is 2,997 rupees plus 3,210 rupees plus 1,998 rupees. Let us add these numbers, children. And children, we already know that we are going to start adding numbers from right side towards the left side. That means we are going to add first the ones digit, then tens digits, then hundreds digits, thousands digits and so on. Okay children. So now let us start adding these numbers, children. So first, as we said, we are going to add these units digits. So first number we have 7 as the unit digit, 7 plus the other number is what, children? Yes, 0 in the second number. So plus 0 and plus 8 in the third number. That means you are going to add 7 plus 0 plus 8. So what do you get, children? 7 plus 0, 7 plus 8. How much, children? That's right. It is 15, children. Now children, you got 15 on adding all these unit digits, right? Now what we are going to do? Here in this 15, 5 is in ones place. So now this 5 should be written in the ones place of the numbers which we have added here. Okay? So now send 5 to the units place. Now what about this 1, children now? Now this 1 will move as a carryover to where? Tens place. So now let us take 1 as a carryover. So children, we have added the digits in the ones place. Now what we should do? You are right. We are going to add the digits which are in the tens place. Let us add them, children, now. So the digits in the tens place. So in the first number we have 9. Plus in the second number we have 1 plus 1, Then in the third number we have 9, so plus 9. And apart from these 3 digits, children, now there is a carryover 1 here. So we have to add that number also. So now add, children, what do you get? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19 plus 1. What do you get, children, now? Yes, you are right. We got 20. Now since we got 20, now what we are going to do, children? We are going to bring this 0 to the tens place. Then what about these 2, children? Again you are right. These 2 will be taken as a carryover to the hundreds place. Now let us take 2 as the carryover, children. Now we have done the addition of all the digits in the tens place. So children, next what we should do? Yes, we are going to add the digits in the hundreds place. That is 9 plus second number we have 2. So 9 plus 2 plus again the next number we have 9. Again plus 9. And also there is a carryover of 2 here. So we will add plus 2 also. Now add all these numbers, children, and tell me the answer. Yes, you are right. It is 22. Again in 22, we are going to take this 2, that is which in this ones place, to the hundreds place here. So we are going to take it to the hundreds place. And there is one more 2 which is in tens place, will be taken as a carryover. To which place, children? Yes, to the thousands place. Very good, children. I think you are following it very clearly. Now children, we have seen addition of all the digits which are there in the hundreds place. Now we will move on to the next place value, that is thousands. Now let us add all the digits, children, in thousands place. So we have 2 plus the next number we have 3, so plus 3. Then again we have 1 in the next number, so plus 1. Then carryover is what, children, here? Yes, it is 2. So we are going to add this 2 also. Now add all these numbers, children. What do you get? 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2. Yes, it is 8. Now we are going to put this 8 in thousands place. So what is the number obtained, children, here? 8,205. That means Lakshman has to pay 8,205 rupees to the shopkeeper. So children, I think you might have understood the addition of the bigger numbers. That is, we have added all the 4-digit numbers here. Isn't that easy, children? Yes, it's very easy. Only thing is you need to just practice few problems. Okay, children? Now children, let us move on to our next concept, that is identifying the correct way of addition. So here an addition is given to both Vijay and Ajay, and same numbers are given for both the persons. Now if you notice, Vijay has done the addition this manner, whereas Ajay has done in this manner. Now here we need to check who has done correctly. So children, let us verify the result, whether who has done correctly, or Vijay has done correctly, or Ajay has done correctly. So first we will consider Vijay's addition. So here if you notice, we have seen already, we will start adding from units place, then tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. So in units place we have 3 plus 6, 9. So 9 is written correctly. Now we will move on to the tens place, that is we have 5 plus 5, which is 10. So here 10 is there, he wrote 0, but he forgot to take a carryover here. So that's why 7 plus 8 is 15. So if 15 is there, we write 5 here and take one more carryover here. So he forgot to take the carryover. That means children, what do you conclude? Yes, the addition is incorrect. That means Vijay has not done the addition correctly. Now let's see Ajay's case, children. Here also we'll start adding from units place, that is 3 plus 6, which is 9. That is absolutely right, children. Now we'll move on to tens digits. Both are 5 and 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So he has written 0 here and taken 1 as a carryover. That means it's right. Then again he added all these digits now, that is 8, 7 and 1. We get 16. So 6 here and again he has taken one carryover. Again he is right. Then he added all the 3 digits here, which are in thousands place. That is 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So the answer is 7609. So children, what can you say now? Yes, the addition is absolutely right. Then I can say Ajay has done the addition correctly. We are going to learn about another interesting concept, that is estimation. So we have a lot of applications of this estimation in our day-to-day life. Okay children, let us see the concept now. So here is Lakshmi. She has come to shop some groceries, and after shopping the cost of vegetables is 175 rupees, whereas the cost of oil is 240 rupees. And also she purchased a bag of rice. Its cost is 1260. Now children, we would like to find out roughly how much amount Lakshmi has to pay to the shopkeeper. It is a just rough estimation children. Okay children, we are not going to add the numbers exactly as what we have done previously. So first we will consider the cost of vegetables. That is how much children? 175 rupees. Now just I will mark a number line here. So because here 175 lies between two numbers, that is 100 and 200. And mark 175 children here. Now children, can you identify this 175 is nearer to which two numbers children? Whether 100 or 200. To which number it is nearer? Yes, you are absolutely right children. It is nearer to 200. That means we take the cost of vegetables as 200 rupees approximately. So it is not exact cost children, but we say the rough cost or the estimate or approximate price I can say. Okay, that is nearest to the hundreds. Then next we will go for the cost of oil, which is 240 rupees. So again children, if you notice 240 lies between, yes, 200 and 300. Now where exactly it lies? Yes, 240 is in between these two numbers. And again children, can you notice 240 is nearer to which number? That is 200 or 300? Good. It is nearer to 200. That means what will you write children? You are right once again. So the cost of oil will be 200 rupees approximately. Now let us move on to the last one, that is the cost of rice bag, which is 1260 rupees. Now this lies between 1200 and 1300. Now mark 1260 children and see which is nearer 1200 or the 1300. So if you notice, yes, it is nearer to 1300. That is 1260 is nearer to 1300. Hence we can write the cost of rice bag as 1300 rupees approximately. So children, we have got all the approximate prices or the estimation of the cost of vegetables, oil and rice bag, which is 200 rupees, 200 rupees and 1300 rupees. Now let us add all these numbers so that we can find how much Lakshmi has to pay roughly. So this is given by adding all these three numbers, that is 200 plus 200 plus 1300. Now let us add these numbers children. So adding 3 zeros, you will get 0. Again here 3 zeros added, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And in thousands we have only 1, that is we have written here 1. So how much children? Yes, 1700 rupees. That means we can say that Lakshmi has to pay 1700 rupees approximately. Okay children, this is how we do the estimation of numbers. Okay children. Now let us answer few questions children, which are going to be shown on your screen. So first we will understand how the concept is and then we try to answer the questions. So the question is, there are 255 boys and 138 girls in a school. About how much students are there in that school? So we need to find the approximation or the estimation of the number of students in the school. So we have 255 boys. That means it is very closer to, yes, 300. That means 255 can be written as 300. Now what about 138 children? Can you guess? Yes, we can write it as 100. Why? Because it is closer to 100 than to 200. So we write it as 100. So since we need to find the total number of students, what are we going to do now? Yes, children, we are going to add. That is 300 plus 100 gives us 400. That means we can say there are about 400 students in the school. Now here we are using, see, there are about 400 students. It is not exactly 400. It is nearly equal to 400 children. Okay. So this is what is called estimation. So we don't have to add exactly these two numbers. Roughly we are going to add these numbers. Okay. Now children, so Diksha has 975 rupees with her and her brother has 340 rupees. How much money they have together? So that means Diksha's amount is how much, children? 975. That means it is approximately equal to which number, children? Yes, you are right, 1000. And what about the amount with her brother? 340, which is nearer to, you are right once again, 300. Now we need to find how much money they have together. That means we need to add 1000 and 300. So what do you get, children? 1000 plus 300? Yes, we get 1300. That means I can say that amount with Diksha and her brother together is 1300 rupees or 1300 rupees. So children, this is the right way of doing the estimation, children. I hope you have understood this estimation part. Okay, children. Now let us identify the rule that is going to be displayed on your screen with some examples, children. Let us see that. So what is 1 plus 2, children? Good. It is 3. Right, children? Now what about 2 plus 1? That is also? Yes, it is 3. Now can I say 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 both are equal? Yes, because both will give you the same result, that is 3. Now take a look at another example, children. 15 plus 20. How much you get, children? Good. You get 35. Now children, I'll add 20 plus 15. Now what do you get? That's right. It is 35 again. So here also I can say 15 plus 20 equal to 20 plus 15. So what do you notice in these, children? That is, when you have two same numbers on either side, you can add them in any order. That is 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1 gives the same result. 15 plus 20 or 20 plus 15 gives you the same answer. Isn't it, children? Now, based on this concept or the rule, children, I want you to answer few questions. Okay, children? Let us see the first question, children. Now, you need to identify the rule and fill in the blanks. So, the first question is 25 plus 39 equal to 39 plus this blank. Now, children, tell me what number should be written in this blank. I will tell you this first one. Okay? I want you to answer the next question. Okay? Now, here I said you already, we can add two numbers in any order. You will get the same result. That is 25 plus 39 or 39 plus 25 should give you the same answer, right? That means here in this blank you should write 25. Isn't it, children? Understood how to fill in the blanks here? Now I will give you another question. Please do it. 159 plus 284 gives you 284 plus which number, children? That's great. It is 159. You are absolutely right, children. I think you are identifying the rule properly here. Now I will give you one more question, children. This is little different from your previous one. Let's see. Now we have a blank plus 3514 equal to 3514 plus 2910. Now can you identify this missing number, children, here? Yes, you are really done a great job, children. That is 2910, because the same numbers should be there in both left hand side of this equal to sign and right hand side of the equal to sign. So here we have these two numbers, and out of these two, 3514 already here. So the left out number will be, yes, 2910. That you need to write in this blank. Absolutely well done, children. I think you have understood how to identify the rule and write the answers. So children, let us move on to some more simple concept, and we'll answer few more questions. So write different digits in the blanks given and add them, and also identify which of the given option is nearest to their total. So let us see the first question, children. So what is the largest possible answer in each case? So a 2-digit number is given, tens place we have 8, and here ones place it is an empty box. So you need to fill that. Then again we are given another 2-digit number, where in tens place we have 4, and there is an empty box in the ones place. Now we have to add these two numbers and we should get the largest possible answer. And there are three options given to us, that is A 120, B 140 and C 40. Now we need to find out the largest possible answer. Let's see, children. So here, to get the largest possible answer, here in this we should have a largest 2-digit number with 8 in the tens place. What is the largest number, children, here with 8 in tens place? Yes, it is 89. Similarly, here also I should have a largest number in 40s. So what is the largest number in 40s, children? Good, it is 49. Now we need to add these two numbers, that is 89 plus 49. Let us add them, children. So what do you get? 138. Absolutely right. Correct, children? So 9 plus 9, 18. 8, 1 carry over. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 4, 13. So you got the answer as 138. But do you find any of these options, children? 138? No. So in the question also it is given option to the nearest total. So which is the nearest one to 138, children? Yes, you are right. It is 140. That means option B is correct. Now children, let us move on to our next question. Okay? That is, here we are going to find the same largest possible answer also in this case, but here a 3-digit number is given. So in hundreds place we have 3, and tens and ones place both are empty, plus a 2-digit number where in tens place we have 7 and units digit is empty. We need to fill that, and the options are A 300, B 400 and C 500. Now let us add these numbers, children. Now, so as already discussed in the previous example, when we are finding the largest possible answer, so we should see here the largest number with 3 in the hundreds place. So with 3 as hundreds place, what is the largest possible number, children? Great, that is 399. And what about the largest number, children, here with 7 in tens place? You are right, once again it is 79. Now let us add these two numbers, children. What do you get? You are right once again, and adding these two we got 478. Now here you don't find that answer here, right? But which is the nearest answer to this, or nearest option to this 478? Yes, it is 500. That means option C is correct. So this is how we need to find the nearest or the estimation of addition, children. Isn't it easy, children? Yes. We'll do another important verbal problem based on addition of these bigger numbers. Let us see the problem, children. The population of 2 villages in Rajana Sircilla district as per 2001 census are given below. So there are 2 villages, Tadur and Peddur, and here the number of males are 3135, females 3191, whereas in Peddur it is 1372, whereas females it is 1349. So what are we going to do, children? Yes, we need to find the total population of each village, okay, and also about how much is the total population of 2 villages. We need to take the nearest of these following. Okay, children, let us start. Now in the first one we are going to find the total population, that is total number of males plus total number of females. We need to add these two numbers. Okay, children. Now we have arranged the numbers as per their place values. Now first we are going to add the ones digits, that is 5 plus 1, which is 6. We will move to the next one, that is tens digit, 9 plus 3. How much, children? 12. So in this 12, what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to bring the ones digit 2 to this place, and the one which is in tens place will be taken as a carryover to the hundreds place. Then after that we are going to add these digits which are in the hundreds place, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 3, because we need to add even the carryover also. Now what is left, children? Just the digits in the thousands place. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. That means we got 6,326. Now let us find out the total population in Pedur. That is, again we will add them, 1,372 plus 1,349. So let us add these numbers, children, now. So ones place we have 2 and 9. So 2 plus 9, yes, that is 11. So the one in the ones digit is brought here, and then the one which is in tens place is taken as a carryover to this tens place. Then add tens digits, that is 7 and 4. So 7 plus 4, and here we have carryover 1 also. So 7 plus 4 plus 1 gives us, yes, 12. So out of this 12, this 2 which is in units place is brought to the here, that is in tens place, and this 1 should go as a carryover to the hundreds place. Now we will add the hundredth digit, that is 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Next we will move on to the thousands digits, which are 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us what, children? Yes, it is 2. So what is the population of this Pedur, children? Yes, 2,721. This is the population of the village Pedur. Now let us see what is the total population of two villages nearest to these options. Okay, so 6,326. So the nearest value for this, what is the nearest value, children? Approximated to hundreds, so it is 6,300 approximately, and here 2,700 approximately. Now add these two, children. How much you get? 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 7, 10. So 0, 1. That means 9. On adding all these two numbers, we get 9,000. So which is the correct option, children? Yes, option B, that is 9,000 is the correct answer. So children, before we end our session, let us see what we have learned in today's class. Okay, children, let us see. Addition of numbers without or with carryover, identifying correct method of addition, and also we learned estimation of numbers without addition, and finally we have identified rules in addition and discussed a few examples also. And children, I would like to give you some homework to practice, do it at your home and submit to your teacher. Okay, children. So let us see the first problem, children. 𝗧𝗧 earns 8,750 per month and his sister earns 7,450 per month. Now what is the total amount earned in a month? The next question is, I am a 3-digit number. The digit in the units place is 3 and tens place is 2. The digit in hundreds place is 3 times the digit in the tens place. Who am I? Now the third question is, what is the sum of smallest 4-digit number and greatest 3-digit number? And the final question is, there are 541 mango trees and 273 coconut trees in a farmhouse. About how many trees are there in all in the farmhouse? So children, with this we have come to the end of our session. I hope you have learned all the concepts clearly and perfectly. Got it, children? So with this we conclude and we'll meet in our next digital class, children. Until then, goodbye, take care and happy learning.